right, our next cultural trait is religion. Okay, now this one's always a fun one to talk about. It turns out that whenever I teach religion or this topic gets brought up, I have groups of students in two camps. One, know what their religion is. Two, have no idea. So for this one, if you know what religion that you celebrate, that you and your family celebrate or participate in, whether it's Christianity or I've had people who have been Buddhist before or Muslim, please tell me, what religion do you honor? And then how do you practice your religion? So like, do you go to church? Do you go to different temples? Do you celebrate or practice specific holidays? Do you pray a certain number of times a day or before you go to bed? Okay, before you eat meals. So you can go ahead and fill that out and then put in a picture. If you are unsure about your religion, this would be, so like think back to conversations that you have had or that you have heard with your parents and family members. If you believe in a God, if you believe in like Jesus Christ, then most likely you are a type of Christianity. Christianity is like if you, again, believe in one God, you believe in Jesus Christ. From there, you might be Catholic, you might be Baptist, you might be Lutheran, but the whole religion part is Christian, okay? If you believe in God, but you don't believe in Jesus Christ, you most likely are Jewish. If you believe in God, but you also call him Allah, you are probably Muslim. And if you believe in multiple gods and goddesses, okay, put that in here. Maybe you're Hindu. Maybe you still believe in like Greek mythology. That's absolutely, that would be interesting to hear. If you don't believe in a god, or if you are, for example, Buddhist, that absolutely works. You can write that in there. If you're listening to this and you're like, I don't know, then leave it blank. Okay, you don't feel like you have to put something in here. This is something that when we do talk about religion in terms of how people celebrate a divine presence, we are never teaching you that something is right or that something is wrong, right? So we look at all of religions of the world, and our job is just to inform you of the religions and to let you know, like, these are different religions that are out there. So again, if you're listening to this and you have absolutely no clue what your religion is, just skip it. Okay, this would be the one that you would probably skip. And this would also be a good conversation to have with your family, the people that you live with. It can get very, very, very deep.